Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Abimo Olayiwola, a business lawyer with over 11 years experience. I'm the principal of ABILEGAL, a startup-focused law firm located in the city of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I'm also the founder of Digital Lawyers Network, a knowledge-sharing platform for lawyers to learn how to make money online with their legal skills. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be sharing videos on business law and digital law practice. I will be sharing these videos in very simple English that would make it easy for you to understand. Watch out for videos on how to register a business in Nigeria, how to protect your business legally, how to scale your business, and even how to legally fortify your business in Nigeria. If you are a lawyer, watch out for videos on social media marketing for lawyers, digital marketing for lawyers, how to make money online as a lawyer, how to package your legal expertise into digital products that gets you money even when you are sleeping, social media marketing for lawyers, and lots more. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Expect videos on this channel every single week. Every week I'll be dropping 2 videos for you on this channel. So turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.